Well, the countdown is on. We are just days away from the start of the Republican National Convention, and today we learned President Donald Trump will be here in North Carolina on the first day of the convention. As delegates gather here in Charlotte, the White House confirms the president will make a stop in Asheville to show support to the region's farmers and their families amid the coronavirus pandemic. Now, there's no word yet if he also plans to visit the Queen City. With more than 300 delegates attending, Scaled Back Convention is the biggest event in North Carolina since the pandemic began. Tonight, local health officials outlined the steps they're taking to keep the community safe. WCNC Charlotte's Alex Shabbat is live at the Westin Hotel in Uptown, where attendees will be arriving. Alex?
Well, Fred, everyone is tested even before they come to Charlotte, and then they're tested again once they're here for the RNC. And that's just the beginning of the safety steps. In the coming hours, Uptown Charlotte will be home to North Carolina's biggest event since the pandemic began. It comes as key metrics show signs of improvement in Mecklenburg County.
So our spread is low.
And while there are major safety steps in place for the RNC, Health Director Gibby Harris could make no promises.
No gathering is risk-free.
But Harris says they're trying to reduce the risk as much as possible. People attending are tested 7 days prior to arrival, and then again once they're in Charlotte. In addition, there will be daily temperature screenings and symptom checks, and indoor events are limited to 10 people with masks required.
The only events and meetings that are approved to occur are the ones necessary to conduct the business to nominate a candidate.
Harris does not expect to see major delays with testing results, which have hampered the ability to do contact tracing around the country.
Contact tracing will begin immediately after we have a positive test result, if we do.
When we asked the health director if she'd be surprised to see a bump in cases after the RNC, she pointed to other potential causes.
We've also got another holiday coming up, so there's another weekend that could create a bump.
Health officials also have an after-action plan, which includes checking in with people in the days and weeks to come so that they can do contact tracing if needed. Live in Uptown, Alex Shabbat, WCNC Charlotte.